Wait. Magella is now glad again. Cause I know that you're more than just a friend. So baby, rock me. Tell me something before I play your music right now. Tell me something. What do you think about this one? I love it.
Yeah, man. Me love that.
You love that?
Big up yourself. Big up all the listeners out there for Black Culture Radio. You know how we do.
Yes, I love that, bro. You know what? We're going to go into your music right now. Remember that. I love it. You know? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Massive.
Yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah.
Perfect. Let's start with this one.
Magella. Yo, DJ Vita. It's your one for me later. For me, baby.
So that, guys, up for those who are joining me right now, this is Magella, logged in and loaded on the Black Culture Radio non-stop dancehall craze with DJ Aggie, aka Aggie Minal. I love that. Big up yourself. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody else.
Like it like that, girl, you know me like it like that. Me like it like that, the way that you love me, say me love you right back there. Me like it like that, girl, you know.
Magella, tell me something. This one.
Like it like
You know, tell me something about this one. I love this one, right? African fusion into these things, yeah.
Yeah, man, straight up. This is a new tune, brother. We just dropped it this morning, Harbour Production alongside Zim Touch Record out of Zimbabwe.
That is something else. You know what? Let's play it.
Yeah, run
African
it,
fusion.
selector. Yeah, that's what the thing going,
Nice one.
Yeah, man, it's a song about love and how you feel when
Make me feel.
When you're deeply attracted to somebody and they make you feel in a certain way.
Okay. Pack it.
Really?
Pack it.
Magella. Yo, DJ Vita. It's your one for me later. For me, baby. You drive me crazy. I'm crazy, you know this. Are you this one, fam? Me love the way you make me feel. The way you make me feel. And you know the feeling real. So genuine. You look so pretty, always dressed to kill. Always dressed to kill. Let's stick together, girl, that's the deal. You know what I mean? Me like it like that. Girl, you know me like it like that. Me like it like that. The way that you love me, say me love you right back there. Me like it like that. Girl, you know me like it like that. Me like it like that. The way that you love me, say me love you right back, yeah. You look so beautiful. You're pretty like a garden. Me love the way you walk, the way you talk, love the way you move your body. You got a golden heart. You love when I'm caring. Me love when we caressing. Girl, you're a blessing. You make a voice and I sing, yeah. Girl, just stand by me and I'll stand by you. Show me you love me as much as you. I love how you call me when I'm inside you. Moaning and mumbling, baby, I love you. I love the way you make me feel.
Yeah, man, I done now. I'm a journalist, and you're listening to DJ Adi, the Nitrate T-Rex on the Black Culture Radio. I saw the thing up.
Yeah, the girl, that's the deal. You know what I mean? Me like it like that. Girl, you know me like it like that. Me like it like that. The way that you love me, say me love you right back, yeah. Me like it like that. Girl, you know me like it like that.
Magella, I love this one,
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Sometimes when we start the show, we start it differently, Tell us about yourself, my brother. You know that. It's basic. the fans right here on the Black Culture Radio, they would want to know about you. They hear the African fusion, right? It's different.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You do dancehall music as well and reggae music. But this one make me feel it's an African fusion.
African fusion, straight up.
Yep.
Yeah, we're trying to bring a new vibe into the thing, because I've been doing dancehall and reggae for a while, and we love the sound and we love the authentic sound. But this time we had to some of that guitar vibe, some of that calypso vibe to it, So Make Me Feel is really a love song, and it's expressing how somebody makes you feel, because sometimes people don't really tell each other how they really feel and how they make each other feel, So I'm going to link up with J Howboy Production and Zip Touch Records if we make this one. And we just dropped it this morning. It's fresh. It's still hot. We just dropped this morning, brother. This morning. We have dropped a song every week. It's done now.
I love it.
Yeah, man.
You are an artist, a producer at the same time, you see?
Yeah.
And the sound is great. African sound, the fusion.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Tell me about reggae music. It's not popular right here in South Africa. You know that. You know, reggae music is not popular right here in South Africa. Do you agree with me on that?
I don't agree. In South Africa we have the biggest population of Rasta people and reggae listening people. But
Are you sure about that? I don't agree with that. I don't agree with you.
Do your research, Aggie. Well, do your research. But listen, reggae music's been played as part of South Africa's history for a long time, because reggae music contributed to our freedom, It liberated South Africa. So it's not their mainstream, because they discriminate the sound. They discriminate the artists, don't really give them a chance to go mainstream like other genres. But reggae music is very alive and well in South Africa, you see me?
Okay, let's agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. We can talk about Lucky Dube, right?
Yeah, salute to the Monday.
Yes. What I'm talking about is reggae music in South Africa is not that popular as compared to Amapiano and
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are the popular genres. And to have you right here on the Black Culture Radio, it's an honor and it's humbling. Last week, I think 2 weeks ago, we had Latitude. Remember Latitude?
Yeah, he's my brother from the Free State.
From South Africa.
Much love to him. Much love. Talented man, yeah.
Talented, yes. So, tell me about your journey, reggae music journey in South Africa.
Well, reggae music, I've been involved with it from a very young age, When we start music, we started from church, from like music school as a young kid. So we used to chop them gospel songs and turn them into roots and reggae, Start playing the pianos and chopping in the middle of the gospel song. And the mamas, them used to love it, They used to love the vibe. But then as we grow into the thing, we start listening to Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, and we start getting that vibe. So I did music professionally, from jazz, classic, all the styles of music. We still do. But yeah, reggae is like my foundation, Also, my mentor was the late George Lee Lanier. He was from Ghana. So he used to play trumpets for Bob Marley, him and Hugh Masekela, you see. So they played on the song called Natty Dream. That's a big legend for me, you see. So that was my mentor. That's the person who I suck the milk of reggae from. And we play with Nuffman in Adroba from Yeovil, me link up with enough different houses, set up studios, produce different artists, help them set up their own studios.
Yep.
And it's been a long journey playing with different bands and everything. I did perform with Queen Africa in Treble too,
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Man.
That is massive, bruh. There's this sound that you did, Gunning Knife, Gunning Knife.
Yeah.
And I love that sound because you know me, I'm always talking against the use of those two things in our society,
Yeah.
The gun and knife.
Yeah, gun and knives in my Shapu society from a long time, you see. So I have a big history with guns and, we grew up in a gun-filled society where people used to shoot each other, for different reasons, and South Africa have a violent history. So this message is saying to the whole world, put down the gun and knife, don't kill no one tonight. You just want to have fun,
Are you free to talk about the violence history?
Yeah, most definitely. You see, in Africa, we have the history of apartheid, you see.
Yeah.
Apartheid was a very oppressive system where a lot of people were murdered, a lot of people were abused and worked, and a lot of people lost their lives in the mines, a lot of people in the cities, because we built a lot of cities. As you can see, South Africa has a lot of cities. It's African people who have built them cities there, and it was true hardship, and many people were moved from their original land and where they did base, and moved to different other areas where they didn't want to be, you know what I mean? So
yes.
In that history, we had also political violence where parties were clashing with each other.
Yes.
And black against black, and you know what I mean, and now guns were involved. Gun takeover.
I want to ask you a question,
Yes, ask me again.
Because in the society that we live in right now, you understand that during apartheid, the only way we could fight apartheid was to make life difficult for the other guys, right?
Yes.
So my question now is, what are we going to do to make sure that people understand that this is no longer apartheid? The violence that we are seeing right now in South Africa, right?
Yes.
It's now black on black, right? People are still using the tactics.
Yes.
Hang on, bruh.
Yes.
The tactics that were used during the apartheid, right? Right? To fight apartheid, right? We call it apartheid. Some people call it apartheid. But in South Africa, we call it apartheid. This is how we say it in our own accent. Apartheid. We don't say apartheid.
Same thing.
Okay, it's not a laughing matter though. But what I'm saying is, what can we do to educate our people to understand that this is no longer apartheid, right? Because the violence is killing everybody else. We are now feeling the impact of the violence. What can we do, bro?
Well, I truly believe in healing, and I believe in holistical healing, and I believe African people are still recovering, from a systematic kind of trauma where it did last for many years, you see. So it's not an easy thing for the people them to left all the old tactics and all the old behaviors, because they are now in their blood system, you see. So we need programs, we need ways where we can target the youth, speak to men. Men are involved a lot when it comes to violence. It's the truth. Even when it comes to gender-based violence in the home, a lot of men are involved. So we need programs, we need ways that families can stand together, and also we need to kill the cultural tribalism, between the people, so that people know that they are together, they are one people. But also one aspect of violence is also the economy, because some of the violence that we have now is a class system kind of violence, We have the poor try to steal from the other poor people, or they steal from the richer people, So we need systems where people can have the basic conditions of living, where children can have recreation, can have proper education, can have nurturing and caring, especially the boy child, because the boy child enough times he will go neglected and rejected, and he doesn't get enough love. So he end up getting violent in that situation. So it needs a systematic approach where we look at people and say, okay, this is a people that went through this kind of, something which was terrible. So now they're healing. I don't think everybody give us a chance to heal yet. Everybody just, want us to be okay automatically. Or they say it's been 25 years, but 25 years can't fix something that happened for 400 years. You see it, So I think we need more message in the music. We need more films that are talking about peace. You know what I mean? We need to stop buying the boy children guns for toys and all that. We need a better way of fathering, mothering, being better brothers to our sisters and respecting them and loving them, and that, so bring back some of the cultural ways. Because in the cultures, you find that with the same culture or the different cultures, they say the same thing. Respect your mother and father. It's in the Bible, but it's also in every culture. You know what I mean? So some of the things that we have to follow are already in the culture, in the traditional culture. So we also have to look into the ways of our ancestors and see how did they walk before this oppression did you see me?
Yeah, I understand you, but this is my my problem because we are not dealing with the root cause. Because you spoke about culture and religion at the same time playing a major role in the society that we are living in right now.
Yeah.
And you also spoke about gender-based violence, which is something else right here in South Africa. I'm not quite sure if you had a story of that guy who raped his 2-year-old daughter to death. 2 years.
Yeah. We heard the story, man. A sad story, We don't love.
It's very sad, bro. It's very sad. And that would take us to another thing with regards to drugs, because he was a known drug addict.
Yeah, there's a lot of drug abuse too. When people are hurt and they don't have ways to heal and they're trying to escape reality, a lot of drug abuse.
Okay. All right. Let's do this. Let's come back to the drugs, right? Let's play the music, gun and knife. And then we'll come back to the issue regarding drugs.
Yeah, man.
Right, yes.
Yeah, big tune.
Remember, you said that we have got a lot to talk about, and we're going to talk about it. And I love to do that because these are the issues that actually build us as human beings. You understand?
Sure.
Right. Big up, Marcella.
Yeah, you don't know how much jealous, Yeah, you see.
Right, guys, for those who are joining me right now on the Black Culture Radio, non-stop dancehall craze. Yes, it's a different style altogether because I'm joined with my brother, Marcella, straight out of South Africa, dancehall reggae music artist and the producer also. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about, social issues, guys, that actually affect us right here in South Africa and Africa as a whole and the world also. Big up.
Why some people so evil? Them really don't like people. Every day them kill another mother son. They will sell you out for your needle. Some murder man just for pleasure. Some do it for money and treasure. Please don't pass no gun tonight. Don't kill another man tonight. Don't pass no gun tonight. Just leave your knife at home tonight. God put on the gun and knife. Don't kill no one tonight. Don't take another life. No need to fuss and fight. God put on the gun and knife. Don't kill no one tonight. There's no need to fuss and fight. Don't take another life. Yeah. Every day in the street, no gun about. Me see a friend kill friend, don't know who to trust. Nobody safe out there, life is dangerous. The violence is getting serious. How many people have died? Yeah. How many mothers have cried? How many lose them life? To the knife and the broom, bye-bye. Enough man brag out how them make it clap. Them brag out how them a make him drop. Kill me, shot out, Tom and me neighbor Bob. We have to find a way to make the violence stop. Gunman, don't use your gun tonight. We wanna have fun and enjoy we life. We know say you have no respect for life, but no, please not tonight. Put down the gun and knife. Don't kill no one tonight. Don't take another life. No need to fuss and fight. Now put down the gun and knife. Don't kill no one tonight. There's no need to fuss and fight. Don't take another life. Every day another mother cry. Every day another brother die. Every day you hear a boom bye-bye. Brother dead but I don't know why. Why some people so evil? Them really don't like people. Every day them kill another mother son. They will sell you out for your needle. Some murder man just for pleasure. Some do it for money and treasure.
Guys, who are joining me right now, greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First, Rastafari. My brother Mojello, that was the topic we were talking about just now. Very disturbing one.
No problem, man. That was the tune type.
Yeah. It is what it is, bro.
Yeah, straight up. Now, you see, when it comes to society and the use of substances, it's a serious issue worldwide, but South Africa is having lately a big issue with different types of drugs that have entered the borders, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Also, and these are affecting a lot of youth, mainly males, mainly boys, even though a lot of girls are also getting hooked up on some of the narcotics, but mainly the boys, so it's affecting their future and how they behave and how their emotions are aligned or disaligned and, their moods and everything. You know what I mean?
But I've got a question for you, bro.
Yeah.
Why does it feel like there is no law enforcement at all? Because people can buy drugs right here just like they're buying bread. let me tell you what I'm talking about, okay?
Yeah,
right.
Break it down.
I've stayed at a lot of flats, right here in Pretoria, and I've known a lot of drug dealers, right? But I've never seen those guys arrested or anything else, and they've been doing this ever since I've known them. And I know they do these things. So why does it feel like there's no law enforcement whatsoever? There's no repercussions whatsoever.
There is law enforcement, and in law enforcement there's bad cop and good cop and bad cop. So there's a lot of bad cop and a lot of corruption. So a lot of criminals and different people involved in different activities can pay their way out of the system. You know what I mean? So that's really what is happening, because if you have some corrupt, bad apples in the system, they're going to let some of these things run through. You know what I mean?
But
so
it seems like there's a lot of bad cops, if that be the case, because I've never seen any repercussions. I've never seen anybody being arrested. You understand?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of bad cops. The tough thing about it, police always say it's not easy for them to point and say this guy is corrupt or that cop is corrupt, because they all work together and they all mix them together now. Even some of the female officers can be corrupt. You know what I mean? So money corrupts a lot of people, especially when they offer you a certain fee to let them go. You know what I mean?
You do understand this problem does not only affect South Africa, right?
No, not at all. It's also painting a bad picture on South Africa and other parts of Africa, you know what I mean? Because some of these people are also starting xenophobia, because then you have South Africans blaming foreigners and which is our Africans for coming into the country with the drugs, but the truth is most of these drugs are not really even made in Africa. They are international drugs and substances,
Yeah, you know what? I didn't want to go too much political, but let's go back to music. It was nice sharing that information, because really, this is what we really need to talk about all the time, because it's very important rather than just talking about music, and stuff like that. Because I know music talk about these things most of the times and talk against the use of drugs and violence in our society. And we really wanted to expand.
And it's also good to expand on the user. Many times we are talking about the person selling the drugs, but we're not talking about the user and what they are going through. You know what I mean? In a modern civilized society, we need to be able to help drug users to be able to understand what excessive use does to their lives. There needs to be programs that can help them. I see a lot of rehabilitation centers. Some of them are successful, some of them are unsuccessful, but we need better ones. We need better ways to help people get out of a substance if they want to change. And even those who don't want to change, sometimes they are far gone, but we need ways to support them without criminalizing them, because also we criminalize people and some of them will get locked up and their whole life is ruined. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
so
I understand, yeah.
Actually reach out and actually find out what is it about our society now that's making lot of young people turn to drug users. I think dealing with it from that end also can be another success, because also just chasing the source but not dealing with the demand is not good. You know what I mean? And we say more herbs for the nation, because the more people blaze the herbs, the drug on the city.
I get it. Thank you very much for that one. Yes. But remember, we always have to attack the root cause. The user is using because of the availability of those things. If those things are not available at all, 100%, they won't.
We need to deal with the ports. We need to deal with borders. We need to deal with the airports. That's some serious work that needs to be done. If there's corruption in those places, then the drugs are in the city.
All right, I know it was difficult for you politically, but anyway, let's go back to your music. Stay alive. What do you think about this one? Feel it. Let's go. Yes, you feel it?
Yeah, man. It's a big tune. It's a big tune. This tune is very spiritual. Very spiritual for me.
I like it myself. I like it. Stay alive. Let's go to the music.
Never say I never tell you so. Never say I never tell you so.
This is BCR.
Yeah, man, are you done now? I'm a journalist, and you're listening to DJ Augie, the Nitrate T-Rex on the Black Culture Radio. I saw the thing up.
Caution, baby, take it easy, don't you rush, it's a dangerous road. Take it slow before you crash and wreck your life. Take a moment, realize what is going on. Things are not what they seem, it's a crazy world. Crazy people, crazy things happen all the time. Watch your back, watch your six, with whom you spend your time. Frenemies, fake people looking all around. Choose carefully the ones that you keep around. Jealousy, enemies, and envy. Parasites that be sucking out your energy. Stay a prayer, trace away the bad energy. Take your time, study people's psychology. Know yourself, don't forget where you come from.
Champion, Muhammad Ali.
Yes, for those who are joining me right now, I'm with Mojello. Yes, this is a non-stop dance or craze on the Black Culture Radio with DJ Aggie, aka Aggie Minard, guys. Yes, now let's go dance with the producer, the artist himself, Mojello. Big up yourself.
Hey, yo, the definition. We are the champions. Southern Cape Town all the way to Zimbabwe. We hold it tight. What am I saying? Hold it tight. Yeah, hold and stand for me. Champion, man a real champion. Muhammad Ali, man a champion, undisputed. World champion, me not play number 2, man a number 1. Yeah, come on a champion. Floyd Mayweather a champion. Nobody run with me a champion. The winner is me a number 1. Yeah. Listen, me champion. Watch how me champion walk. Like this country on the roots rock. Me dance a love for me champion stop. We got champion girl with me champion gun. Champion selector play champion sound. The girl one wine to the champion song. Hey, selector, pull up that show there. Many men have tried to take my title, but they failed. They tried to pull me down, but still they can. Like champion always bound for it, will never ever fall. He'll be a champion forever. Champion, man a real champion. Muhammad Ali, man a champion, undisputed. World champion, me not play number 2, man a number 1. Yeah. Come on a champion. I Floyd Mayweather a champion. Nobody run with me a champion. The winner is me a number 1. Round 1, serve the boy with a good blow. Yeah, me give the crowd them a good show. Yeah, a good box in the face. Jab and the uppercut, now check the boy down. Yeah, I TK KO. Now mess with me, I'm me go. No, I'm talking about me Tyson blow. Me Tyson blow. It's a second show. I sit round two, boy, come in again. Come here, try fight again, get knocked out again.
Guys, we just got Fury Galia with Mojello right here on the Black Culture Radio, as always. Yes, the artist himself, the producer himself is a versatile. I think you heard some of the songs that I applied. It's rap, also R&B, but dancehall music on the dancehall non-stop craze with Augie. And this is what we'll have to do all the time. And good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody else from all over the world. And you know that your support is unwavering, it's unwavering, and it is unquestionable. And I love that, I appreciate it, guys, because Augie on the Black Culture Radio always brings the massive bashman style type of music, but with the message, big up yourself.
Always fall for it, will never ever fall. You'll be a champion forevermore. Champion, man a real champion. Muhammad Ali, man a champion.
This is BCR.
Champion, me not play number 2, man a number 1, yeah. I wanna play, no, never play with them, brother. I'm a jealous, you don't know, you on the next level.
Clean shave face ball like for Charlene. My t-shirt them white like the Colleen. Few seconds on it, girl my calling. Happy, hot, sexy girl, none of black like Colleen. Pussy we fat up, me cocky, me should be tallying. You know me full of girl from Red Hills go to Poppy. 1-1, every girl does a drop. She say fire first. Check your WhatsApp icon. You spectacular, you be fi rely on. The girl ya go on like she will want time man. Inna me dive and she will want dive pan. Girl I know you alone love the classic boss and next girl want the boss all of her draws. Can't hesitate, me no know that false. When it come to girl bad man cannot pass.
You know we give the girl them love. That's why them a love. We so squeeze and hold them tight, never let them go. Anywhere the girl there, so that's how we go. Yes, we give the girl them love. Them wonder why them love we so. Pretoria to Kingston, everybody know. Anywhere the girl there, so that's how we go.
We have every catty locked down in every island. Coulda Italy, Morocco, or down a Thailand. A wicked Russian girl, we wicked like Ivan. She said me and the best she ever get this big size from. She cock up her foot, quint her ice then come. She not stop make love till pum pum tongue numb. She want feel the heat of the burning sun. That is her symptom. Me get another girl locked down, just bust both you can Mojello with a girl a locked down. I drink up some Bailey, not white rum. She don't drink no Magnum, she don't know if make the boss handsome.
I'm me, on a song and a rhythm, yeah me throw a verse. Me girl pretty and sexy, Miss Universe. So me not afraid and a girl me never reverse. God bless me with now girl, what some more ya girls. See the girl them love, that's why them a love. We so squeeze and hold them tight, never let them go. Anywhere the girl there, so that's how we go. Yes, we give the girl them love. Them wonder why them love we so. Pretoria to Kingston, everybody know. Anywhere the girl there, so that's how we go.
In a suit bed tomorrow in a Kim. She say she love the way Maga and the way me slim. Tanya ring my phone but it come up like a gym. So me tell her me I go studio, go build rhythm. Yo me tell so much lie, yo hell you know me sin. Me tell Fiona me go trip.
You know, I love this one. You know, but brother, tell me something, you know. We have gone full regalia with you right here on the Black Culture Radio, non-stop dancehall craze. Full regalia.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Man. Yo, this one, the song I did with my brother Fireverse from Jamaica, you know. Yeah, from Mertz Music. Mm-hmm. Yeah, he also worked with World Classic. So yeah, he featured me on this one. We called it Give the Girl Them Love, you know. So everybody wonder why the girls them love we so, but we give the girl them love, you know what I mean? Pretoria to Kingston, see me.
Yes.
Cape Town to London.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
Tell me something. Talking about the collaborations, yeah? All right?
Yeah.
I've seen this one. It's called the Pirate Ram Flute. Is it correct?
Yeah, you're correct. Pirate Ram Flute rhythm, yeah, man.
It's something that you are working on right now. It's a rhythm. It's a reggae sound.
Yeah. It's a big rhythm. It's a big rhythm. We're working on it with different artists from Zambia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, South Africa. We got artists from Jamaica as well, and some artists from Germany, you know. So it's a big rhythm. Yeah, you're going to be definitely one of the first DJs to get it for the Black Culture Radio listeners.
I wish I could sing.
Artists. Yeah, you also have Monique Styles. I heard you had her on the radio not long ago.
I said I wish I could sing myself. I wish I could sing. I wish I could sing because this one is something else because you selected Monique Styles. Latitude is going to be part of that as well.
Yeah, please talk to him for me again, bro. I've been trying to reach out. I haven't got a confirmation. I know you can get a confirmation from me.
All right, I will do that definitely, bro. But this is what we always love, to unite us, the people of this world, through music. And I admire what you're doing with this pirate flute. And
man, it's gonna be amazing.
Hoping to get to see Trojan Eye as well on this one. But anyway, it's your discretion. Remember that.
I have a team of producers that are definitely finalizing. I hope he's definitely in the selection. So we'll hear it out.
Which is something else. I like it. Let me just play just a simple. Let me just sample it.
This is another hot one. Laid.
Selector, pull out the tune. And forward again.
Yeah, you can pull it up for a few seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds you can let it go.
We're gonna play it. Why the pirates and the flute and the ram? I'm just three things here. Three keywords we're talking about here. The pirates, the flute, and the ram.
Yeah, I was chilling with my team, Hardboy Productions, and we were just working upon the rhythm, and we were thinking about the historical element of the pirates. That time there, it's like we were thinking about the Somali pirates, but we started thinking about the Caribbean pirates and all the other pirates. So the pirates when they rob a ship, they grab on the rum. They're looking for the rum because they're always drinking some, some rum.
With no rum. Okay, let me just play this one.
This is another hot one. Laid.
You know what, my brother? Before I play it,
yeah, man.
This is work in progress. I just remembered something. Should we play it right here on the Black Culture Radio?
Nah, you get it first, man. Our exclusive thing,
All right. We'll play it when you release it, my brother. We'll be waiting for it. But anyway, apple of my eye.
Yeah, man.
Apple of my eye. That tune. Yeah, the pirate flute rum. It's something else that is in the production. So I'm happy I didn't go far with it.
Yeah, it's cool, man. Yeah,
all right.
I'm going to hear it soon. Much we dropping it.
Perfect. Big up. Apple of my eye.
Yeah, Apple of My Eye is a big tune, It's a tune, that belongs to a sister of mine. I'm actually featured on the tune by a lady called The Flower, a sister. She's actually a royal sister, from the royal family. And she has a beautiful voice. She has a very unique, innocent, pure sounding voice. So we worked on the song and said, if somebody's the apple of your eye, you love them so much, you can't live with them. See, So we put down this song and call it Apple of My Eye.
I understand what you're talking about because my first daughter, I was calling my first daughter, I say, you're the apple of my eye. Then my second daughter, I'll say, you are the apple of my second eye. So I love it.
See,
just something else.
You understand what I mean.
Yeah, two daughters.
Stay there. You're blessed. You're blessed.
I've got a son. Yes, he looks like me. He behaves like me.
Wow.
Pisses me off.
Yeah, that's what they should do, man. It's patai, you know.
with the sound. But anyway, let's do this.
You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love.
This is BCR.
You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one.
Right, guys, for those who are joining me right now, my name is DJ Agia, all the non-stop dancehall craze. There's there for you guys, most of you, but for me, it's a Friday. Remember, today we do have the Reggae Drive Time show that will be from 7 to 9 Central African Time, which is 5 to 7 GMT time, UK time, guys. It's gonna be a reggae music where we take things a little bit down. And with me right now is Mojelo, straight from South Africa, very versatile producer, reggae dancehall music and also African fusion music. And as a DJ, I really love to play my brother's music right here, and it's nice. A big up to yourself all over the world.
You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love. You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love. Oh, Lord have mercy. Yeah, you know, yeah, I love this man. He make my life so bright. The way he love I and I love him so. I love him so. I love him so.
Alright again, oh my Lord have mercy. Jah know say me I love this a girl. She more precious than diamonds and pearl. Pretty rose flower, best thing on me well. I love her so. I love her so. I love her so.
You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love. You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love.
Yeah, girl, you are the best thing that ever happened to me. Girl, you mean so much to me. You make me feel so happy and free.
Oh boy, you are the best thing. I wanna love you endlessly. Together for eternity. We make our own history. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Yeah. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love. You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want. You're the one I love. You're the apple of my eyes, my love. You're the one I want.
I love to do that, something else. Tell me something, my brother.
Yeah, man. I'm here, my brother.
This one
Yeah,
is nice. You've already explained it, and I understand it. Now let's go to Blessed.
Yeah, blessed regardless. Regardless. You know, sometimes when you're going through things in life, you're always looking at what you don't have and where you want to go and that, and you don't see your blessings, So this song is all about counting your blessings and being blessed regardless, no matter what's happening, but you're still blessed from you have breath and you have life. So it's a song about counting your blessings and having gratitude, you know what I mean, and having love for life. Yeah, because some people are having it harder than you, DJ Agi. Sometimes you think, say, you are the hardest man or you have it the hardest, but another man have it more harder than you. You see it, so you have to give thanks for your blessings, you see, and count them, while you can.
And the production itself,
Yeah, the production is mad. It was Mova Records straight out of Zimbabwe.
oh, you see. Yes.
Come out. You know, I work with a lot of Zimbabwe producer because we love me Zimbabwe brothers, you know. And they love dancehall. They have a good sound.
We are dancer, bruh.
Yeah, man. We can't wait to get in Kulumani. We want to go there, visit Victoria Falls in Kulumani. Go there, Great Bridge, Mutare, and big up all my people there. So
Thank you. We are dancer. We are dancer.
Yeah, man.
We are dancer.
Yeah.
Let's play
Straight
it
up.
now. Let's play.
Run it.
Big up for yourself, Magella.
I'm so blessed.
Alright, guys, I love to do that, you know. That is something else. The Lion of the tribe of Judah. Pick up yourself all over the world. Greetings for those who are joining me right now in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. Rastafari. My name is DJ Agi, aka Agi Minan, and with me is Molgella. This one is called Blessed Regardless.
This is BCR. Well, it was struggle, life over dead. Some boy wish for me a blessing. Step me not get arrogant, not pop me on egg. Try give me rest for me and sleep on me bed. Try give me blessing, I'm blessing, more blessing. We got no time for stressing. Them don't like it, cause the life we live is so amazing. GSM to us Thanksgiving. Try give me blessing, I'm blessing, more blessing. We got no time for stressing. Them don't like it, cause the life we live is so amazing. GSM to us Thanksgiving. God bless me regardless. No matter what bad mind people do, I'm blessed regardless. I know Jah will see me through, worry not stress. No matter what they say or do, I'm blessed regardless. I'm so blessed. Yes, I'm so blessed. Thank God I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, I'm so blessed. No time for worry and stress. I'm so blessed, blessed. I'm so blessed, blessed. I'm so blessed, blessed. I'm so blessed. Count your blessing every morning. See what joy has done. What a beautiful day to see rising of the sun. Your message new every morning, every day, every night. Protect me from evil when bad mind put up a fight. Bless me regardless. No matter what bad mind people do, bless me regardless. I know Jah will save me through the worry, not stress. No matter what they say or do, I'm blessed regardless. I'm so blessed, I'm so blessed. Yes, I'm so blessed. Thank God I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed.
Into, you know, Zim Dance.
Yeah, man.
You know, what we love to do right here on the Black Culture Radio is we always link up with artists from all over the world. We are not only looking at Southern Africa, we are all over the world, right? All the artists from all over the world, from Jamaica, UK, and, you know, from all over the world, Australia, Mexico. That's what I love to do, have an interview with them, and also producers like yourself. This is Zip Dancer Arena that you entered into.
Great. You're right, my G. Yeah. I just voiced it with a Mojello flavor, you know, cause we also support what the brothers are doing that side, cause, you know, when they sing in their own language, you know, it makes them link with the people and the people can understand them better. So for the artists who are using Shona, you know, me do respect that and we love how they make the beats there. So we just take one of them and voice it in a different style. So big up to Mova Records, you know, big up DJ Lanji, him settled it. Yeah.
Perfect, bro. You know what? Because we've run out of time right here. Shout out to my brother. Shout out. I'm going to play these two songs, right? The Girl by Bad and also Wife Material. But I need shout outs right now. Yeah. Then I'll continue with the music right here on the non-stop.
Yeah, now big up everybody who supports Mojello from long while till now. Big up my manager and partner, J. Harboy. Big up my production, Harboy Production, promotion, Starticle Promotion. all the artists who work with Hardboy Production, all the listeners of Black Culture Radio, everybody say who I love dancehall and reggae music, all the artists there and the Pirate Rum Flute Rhythm. Yeah, the thing I go bad. I tell you, watch it, March, we are dropping it, yeah? Make sure you check me on all social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Insta. Yeah, Mojelo. Yeah, you find me there, so me there. Hardboy Production. Follow it, starting a promotion, follow it, JR Boy, follow it. You see it, yeah? And yeah, support the music, stream the music, buy the music, download the music, love.
That is massive, bro. I love this one.
Wake me up fresh.
Select a pull up track, the fool said that a favorite song.
This is BCR.
Seen a girl fuck like that. Never seen a girl whine like that. Gangsta boss a blunt shot. Gosh, that girl too hot.
Alright guys, for those who are joining me, I was with Mojelo, straight up from South Africa, producer and also reggae dancer. You know, he's very versatile. You know, he does have, you know, like something else. I love that. That is something else. African fusion, which is something else. He was with me right here on the Black Culture Radio non-stop dance or craze. Alright, he's back again on the line. My brother, lost you for a second over there. Lost you for a second, you were saying.
Yeah, the network is jealous. Yeah, man, I'm still here, man. Yo, big up all the people them who are listening. Yeah, big up Cats. Yo, you don't know my graphic designer. Yo, all the people who are support the brand, yeah? Yeah, man.
Love that.
Yeah, and big up yourself, DJ Aggie. I hope to be joining you too some other time on the station. We love the work we are doing on the station. And big up all my listeners from Africa to UK, US to Japan. We are one, you don't know.
Thank you very much, my brother. We are passionate about this. You understand?
Now I can see it, man.
Passionate about bringing artists, you know.
Yeah, man, we love that.
Love it. I enjoy it. And to have you right now on the radio, it was an honor. Thank you very much, my brother. Love that. Big up. Big up,
Aji. Give thanks, Aji.
Nice one. Big up, my brother.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
You know. Yes, I.
Wife material. Gender-based violence. That's the song that I'm gonna play. Say something about him.
Yeah, well, you know, this song is a story about a woman who's married to a man, but she finds out it's a wrong type of man because he's abusing her, you know. So for love, she hold on to the relationship, even though the man abused her for years, and she thinks that the man is gonna change, but the man never changed. You see. The man never changed, and she hoped this man is going to be a better man, and she keep praying and she keep trying, but the thing not work because the man beat her up, he yelled at her, he cursed her, he called her all the names, and then at the end of the story, she already commit suicide and take away her life.
That is sad. It's going on right here in South Africa, and the women need to understand that if the guy is not going to change, you know. People can pretend to change. That's one thing that I've realized about people. People pretend to have changed, but people never change. People will always be who they are. Violent. Just leave those people, please, because the stories that we are hearing, most of them is very disturbing. People are not going to change. Yeah. People are not going to change. They're going to pretend to have changed, but they're not going to change. That's the message they give everybody. But it's very disturbing. I want to play it.
Yeah, man. Run the tune there, sir.
All right. Perfect. Big up yourself, my brother.
Yeah.
Nice one. Yes. The Pirate Flute Rum is coming. And I'll be waiting for it. It's going to be massive. Yes, big up. Remember, the show still goes on right here on the non-stop.
She a wifey material. Her marriage take her down to a barrier. Whoa, boy.
She sacrificed for love. She sacrificed for love. He never loved her at all, although she loved him so much. She's a wifey material, although he never treat her like such. Wifey material, and when she loved him so much. Wifey material, no, him never treat her like such. Wifey material. She a special type of woman, yeah, the hardest one fi find. She fell in love with the broke man, the love is blind. She loving and she caring, beautiful and too kind. The man never see him, not see mad in him, but him a treat her like that. Him a treat her like that. Him never treat her like a lady, him a treat her like slut. Him cheat panna, beat panna, things like that. Him yell panna, cast panna, why him do that? She's a
This is BCR.
although him never treat her like such. I feel material, and when she love him so much. I feel material, no, him never treat her like such. I feel material. She love family and she so mad dolly. Dresses properly, she not in enough folly. Her husband, well that's another story. Him a break her heart and he never sorry. She always cry tears, she been miserable for years. All the terrible fears come to real life. And she a wifey material in a real life, but her husband him abuse her in a real life. Him never show her no loving in a real life. Him always just beat the and cheat on that real life. Him never checks that the woman is a good wife. All she want for the family is a good life.
Right now, that was a special session today on the non-stop dancehall craze with Mojello himself. That is something else. Big up to yourself, guys. The show still goes on with Augie. The non-stop dancehall craze. Dancehall craze. Dancehall